Today I want to dive into why there is such a stigma against day trading and what it truly takes to become a successful day trader. Now before we get into it, I would like to preface the video by putting a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, and the following is just my personal opinions and experiences having day traded for 3 years and managing a Discord trading community. Day trading historically has a reputation for being a risky and unpredictable venture. From movies to news reports, the media often portrays day traders as reckless and impulsive individuals that often lose more money than they can make.
That's like you telling me you want to go day trade stocks, and I'm like, well, okay, that sounds great. Let me just take 36.3% of your money. There we go. Okay, cool. I'll see you next year.
So let's talk about it. Why does this negative stigma exist against day traders? First, statistically speaking, 90% of people lose money to the markets and fail to become a consistently profitable day trader. So that statistic alone literally proves that the majority of people are better off investing long term. Second, day trading in the stock market often gets associated with gambling in a casino a lot.
Gambling? Who said anything about gambling? It's not gambling when you know you're going to win.
You may have heard of Wall Street Bets by now, a subreddit containing 13.8 million degenerate members, best known for their zero risk tolerance plays and posts about their insane tendies or gains and extreme losses. When you hope to multiply your money from an uneducated quick bet, blinding day trading options is not too far off from playing roulette in Vegas, because money can turn into more money or no money, just like that. Third, on the topic of money, day traders have a way more intimate and emotional relationship with money compared to others, because trading directly impacts their net worth, whereas people in other jobs have an extra layer in between. Let me explain. In the scenario of working a corporate role, having a bad day or even a bad week won't necessarily decrease your monthly salary for that year. What does that mean? That means you get time on your side to learn and improve without the fear of losing income. But in the world of trading, one bad day could wipe your entire portfolio. For some people, that could mean their savings, their emergency fund, or just plain hard-earned money, and hence directly impacting your net worth, making it a highly emotional and mentally taxing job. And when things become emotional, humans tend to make rasher and more clouded judgments. And emotional revenge trading is one of the bigger downfalls that a trader could experience. So as a result, many people who dip their toes into day trading quit after one bad trade, because not only is it not financially affordable, it's also not emotionally affordable for them. And I want to take a beat here and say that that's okay. Trading isn't for everyone, just like how not everyone can become a pro athlete. In fact, did you know that only 1 to 2% of the population make it as a professional athlete? If we're comparing statistics here, you're actually more likely to become a successful day trader than you are to become a professional athlete. But anyways, I digress. Besides, investing in ETFs and index funds is a safer and easier path anyways. Now you might ask, well, Janksta, what about the people that do want to make it as a day trader?
Before we get into it, I'm super excited to partner with Public.com and review their platform together with you guys. Launched in 2019, Public is an investing platform on a mission to make public markets work for all people. You can build and diversify your portfolio with stocks, bonds, treasuries, ETFs, and they recently just launched options. So I wanted to take this opportunity to quickly go over Public's new options feature together. Head to Public, go to your trading portfolio, select options, explore the options hub like so, search the stock ticker you want to trade, select buy, either a call or a put, scroll to your desired contract expiration date and hit buy. A little feature I wanted to highlight, you can also see the upcoming earnings date highlighted as well in that little bar up there. And from there, you can adjust your limit and send your order in, and now you have an active open trade. Now, what makes Public so special is that they're able to offer the most transparent data on every trade you place. They even have a rebate program where you can see how much you're earning just by trading on Public. For every contract traded, you get 18 cents in rebate. For example, if you were to trade 1,000 options contracts on Public, you would get back $180. There are also no commission fees or per contract fees, making Public the cheapest place to trade options. Now, when you sign up and make an account with Public, you not only have access to, of course, building your portfolio, but you'll have access to the millions that are a part of Public's online community, and you'll have access to educational resources and analysis tools they offer. So if you're ready to invest, trade, and diversify your portfolio, or just want to be part of a bigger like-minded community of investors and traders, click the link in my description to get started and activate options trading by March 31st to get lifetime rebate. Again, in order to lock in that lifetime 18 cents rebate, you do need to activate options by March 31st. Just activating it will do, you do not need to place the trade. Alright, I'm gonna tag everything below, but let's get on with the video.
If 90% of day traders fail, what are the 10% doing that are making them successful? Well, executing good trades require precision and discipline, and that requires time and experience. Without getting into too much of the nitty-gritty, trading, simply put, is just an entry and an exit. And you profit when you buy low, sell high. You can trade on a time frame as short as a few minutes or as long as a few years. If you're adding to a retirement fund, then that's just called investing. But going back to day trading, one has to juggle many thoughts and make many quick decisions. When do you enter? What amount are you putting in? How much are you leveraging? Which financial instrument are you using? When do you take profit? When do you cut losses? And it all comes down to risk tolerance. And risk tolerance goes hand in hand with trading psychology and discipline. This means setting stop loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and never investing more than you're willing to lose. I'm gonna hit you with some of my favorite quotes from the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Success in trading is not about predicting the future. It's about managing risk. Trading is a probability game. You can never be 100% certain of anything. So it's important to manage your risk and always have a plan. Now, of course, that's easier said than done. So naturally, learning to become consistent with a trading strategy that works for you is no easy feat. And anyone who tells you that it is a liar. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any craft and skill, it requires time and experience to perfect. I've talked to many full-time day traders in my Discord, and the average years it took them to become consistently profitable was 2 to 3 years. In addition to finding and perfecting a trading strategy that works for you, whether it's TA or FA or a combination of both, becoming a successful day trader requires time in market. Understanding how a particular stock or sector moves, being in tune with the countless market catalysts and factors that influence the broader market as a whole. So you also need to be highly analytical and quick to sift through information in order to pinpoint how that might affect your trade position. All right, I think now is a good time to segue into paper trading and the benefits of it. Paper trading is also known as simulation trading. It allows you to make trades without having to risk any real money, aka paper money. And I know there's a weird stigma in the trading community against people who paper trade, probably because there are scammer traders out there that are using paper trading accounts to flex their big gains and bait new traders into buying their courses. So be careful out there. But if time and experience is what you need to perfect a trading strategy or get acquainted with the markets, then there really should be no shame whatsoever when it comes to opening up a paper trading account, because it's literally the most financially responsible thing to do. So what other people think and focus on improving your own craft. The biggest obstacle to successful trading is often the trader's own mindset. It's important to have a positive attitude and a willingness to learn and adapt. Plus, retail traders are already at a disadvantage when it comes to the market. You often hear the phrase, the markets are rigged, and there's truth behind that because market movers, people in the higher ups, do have first mover advantage and that alpha that everybody chases after. But of course, that's not to discredit or discount the 10% of people that do make it as successful day traders. And I'm fortunate enough to have met so many of them online through my Discord low-key stonks. So let's summarize everything we talked about so far. Yes, there is a negative stigma against day traders, and validly so, because statistically it is proven that you are more likely to lose money than make money in the markets due to many factors, internal and external. Plus, it doesn't help that there are scammers out there that are trying to sell you that pipe dream of getting rich quick. But on the flip side, do successful day traders exist? Absolutely. And what does it take to get there? Time and experience. So first, have time to learn. If you don't even have time to watch the markets, then maybe it's not the smartest to do short-term trading. And then also be willing to put in the effort to learn. Because again, if trading was that easy, everyone would be millionaires. Furthermore, you need to be analytical but also vigilant to pinpoint what matters. You need to be disciplined and strong-minded when trades don't go your way, and you need to be highly adaptable and adjust your trading strategies based on market conditions. While day trading is no easy feat and has a stigma attached to it, with the right mindset and approach, it could be a profitable and rewarding venture to few that choose to go down that path. So I'll leave you with one last quote. The market is a dynamic organism that is constantly changing, so the only way to stay ahead is to continually adapt and grow. Wow, thanks for tuning in to this video. This was probably one of the first YouTube videos I've made. I was originally just gonna make a TikTok, but as I was writing the script, it became a much longer topic. But I wanna hear your thoughts and experiences with trading down below in the comments. Your wins and losses, any lessons you've learned. In my Discord, we're all about transparency and creating a safe space for like-minded traders and investors to learn and grow together. So feel free to check out my community as well. I invite you to join our weekly Sunday DD sessions hosted by one of our traders, Austin, or you can come explore the Discord as a whole during our open houses that happen every month. But yeah, I'll link everything down below. And for those of you here for the first time, I make all sorts of content, and finance and trading is just one topic I touch on. But this is Jangsta, over and out.